everyone, it's Alexandra here at Leisure RV Center of DFW. We are a dealership, a part of Vogt RV. We are home of the Day One Service Initiative and where we enroll our members into our VRV family membership. Now, I have a new product here for you. It's going to be the Storyteller XO model with the BoomBox. But before we get into that fun stuff, let's take a quick lap. Alright, so the first thing we're going to get into is actually going to be one of the biggest changes that they have made into their models. It's going to be the BoomBox. This is going to be your wet bath for a Storyteller. And with this, you're going to be 31 inches in width and 70 inches in height. For a little bit of a view for you guys, I am 5'6", so I can stand in here and I am comfortable. Ta-da! And then also with this, your cassette toilet is going to be a freshwater flush. So you don't have to worry about anything there. And then we'll show you on the back end on how you remove that and get it taken out and dumped. All right, so we've seen the Groove Lounge. Now this is going to be exclusive to the XO. This is their new seat system called the electric Loveseat. So I have a few things to show you guys on this. With this, you can also move it to the side and then you'll have cup holders as well, but that way you're not really sitting next to, what if you didn't like the person next to you? You have more space and elbow room. So you can also see over here that you do have plenty of space as well. And then two, if you just need a little bit more air back here, you do have a wonderful electric window that you can just open, letting that breeze through. And then if you just needed to get to the outside for some reason, hand somebody something, you can pull that right off and you got your open window. All right, and then also up here you do have your table mount for your Lagun Table. This offers you a great space for working, having your meals up here, playing some cards with your friends. You'll be able to rotate your passenger and driver's seat. That way you can utilize the table, swivel it between each other. So as we mentioned up in the front, you do have that Lagun Table to use as your desk space, but if you just need a little bit more room, and if you're like me, I like to stand a lot of the times, you can come right back here, remove one of your cushions from your bed area, and you can utilize this as a desktop. Also, let me put the bed together really quick and I can show you that space. So this bed is 56 by 76, so it's very easy to put together, very easy to take apart, so you can utilize your garage space. Along with that too, you do have these cabinets up here that are removable, so if you didn't want them, or if you're like me and you don't pay attention when you wake up and you kind of smack your head a time or two, kind of need these out. So this is another great thing that they have added in their XO model is going to be storage pouches. Now in the Beast, you do already have some storage pouches. That's another great feature that they offer for you. But these ones are going to be Velcro, so you can move them around, remove them if you didn't want them. You have some more that are going to be up on your driver and passenger seats, and then you're going to have another little storage container box there that's going to be new, and that's exclusive to the XO as well. So we've made it up here into the cab area. So with this, you do get a lot of safety features, and I'll have those posted to the side of me here. Your lane assist, your assist brake keeping. You are also on the 4-cylinder high output diesel engine, and then these models always come in the all-wheel drives. So exclusively to the Beast modes is going to be their KC lights. You get a full package 360 all the way around. So if you didn't want the party to end when the sun goes down, you don't have to. Just turn these on and let the party keep going throughout the night. So now we'll get into some of the exclusives that they've done for their 2024 models. They have transitioned a few of their accessories to owl vans. That's including the ladder. You do have the side runners that are going to be owl vans as well, and then you're going to change into your tire holder. So this changed to go onto your Sherpa rack cover, and then you also get a wonderful large owl van storage box. This is great for those that aren't light packers like me, so you have some more space outside of your unit as well as inside your unit. So this is the 2024 Storyteller Beast Mode XO model. I cannot wait to hear what you guys have to say about the BoomBox. It is one of my favorite features. It does add a little bit more privacy. And then too, you can put shelves in there, use it as a closet space. You have the hanging, use it as just a drying space as well. So please leave a comment below because I want to hear what you have to say. Thank you for watching. We hope that you enjoyed. We want to be able to bring you the best parts of the RVs that we carry here without taking up too much of your time. In addition to leaving a comment, please like and subscribe below, and then we'll see you further down the line. You have a great day.